So if you see this graph, even if there is no written the monopolist here, even then you can find out that this graph belongs to monopoly. Why? Because we have the revenue curves that are two different revenues curve. One is price and one is MR, right? You see the price curve or demand curve or the MR, two different. While in perfect competition, these two are the same and horizontal straight line, right? So let me know where is the point MC is into MR. Rodrigo, where is the point where MC is equal to MR?
It is on point C.
C, very nice, right? MC is equal to MR on point C. And what is the purpose of finding out MC is equal to MR? Let me ask from Sunho. Sunho, why we find this C? Sunho, can you hear us?
Yeah, so, oh. That's my fault.
Okay, then Isaac.
Oh,
Please repeat the question. I'm sorry.
So the purpose of finding MC is equal to MR point C is that to find out the quantity, and which quantity that maximize our profit, right? And from here, how we can find out the profit? So what is the price of producing Q max? It is on the price line. So you just draw, so that would be the price, right? And what is the cost? Cost is on the cost curve here, this point. Sorry about my drawing, let me just remove it. My drawing is really bad here at the moment. Here we go, every total cost, here, right? So this is the price, this is the every total cost, and if this point is F, then your profit is, connect all these dots here. So this triangle, if I name this point G and this point H, so H, A, F, G, this triangle H, A, F, G. So this not triangle, this rectangular is monopolist profit. Understand, everyone? Guys, please reply. Understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Well done. So let me raise all to this one. Finding out the MC is equal to MR. At this point, you're going to give you Q max. And so this rectangular EBCD is your monopoly profit, right? So a monopolist will receive economic profit as long as price is greater than every total cost. You see, if we compare the profit of perfect competition with the monopolist, you see here, let me just go back and make you understand. So this is the price, and this is the every total cost. And price is greater than every total cost. So if you just pay close attention here, this condition is entry condition, right? When others firms they see that price is greater than every total cost, they enter the market, right? Right? So in that case, but because this is monopoly, no, and we have a entry barrier, so price will remain greater than every total cost. It means monopolists, they enjoy greater economic profits. And in perfect competition, the perfect competitive firm, price is equal to every total cost. It means profit, economic profit is equal to 0. But here, in monopoly space, economic profit would be positive number or greater than 0. Right? We just confirmed from our last question, the monopolists do earn the economic profits. Why? Because price is greater than every total cost. Now, my question is whether monopolists can have a loss. Guys, think about that. Let me just, I think here it would be better. Let me write it down. If we have some kind of problem with the internet connection or something, let me write it down. Think about whether monopolist can have loss think about that. Marilyn, Miria, Isaac, David, Jacob, Osama, Subhan, Faik. Can monopolists have a loss? Can monopolists have a loss? Rodrigo.
As long as it's more
Yeah.
than most.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Some says yes. Marilyn, Dijodi, Paulo, Isaac, Nam, Pino, Subhan, Osama, Faik, David. Please answer.
I think if it follows this, then no, it can't have a loss. Only if it follows this.
You said B, right?
Yeah, no.
Faik, Subhan. You here with us?
So I said 2 times.
So what do
So do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, because I answered like 2 times earlier, yes.
Oh, okay, sorry. I couldn't hear them. So right answer is no. Why? Because they are sole provider of goods. They are sole producer. So they cannot have a loss because price is always greater than every total cost. When price is always greater than every total cost, the profit equation is price minus average total cost multiplied by quantity. Price can never be below the average total cost, so profit can never be 0 or less than 0. Understand? Right? So they cannot enjoy loss. Why is that? Because they are sole producer and they set their price above average total cost, so they can never have the loss. And now the question arises, is monopoly a good way to organize market, or in other words, whether monopoly is good for the society or not? Now you tell me. You, or as a buyer, tell me whether monopoly is good for the society or bad for the society.
I think it's bad.
David, right?
Hmm.
Bad too.
Bad. Okay. Faik, what do you think?
I think it's bad because we lose the competitive advantage.
Isaac,
For the society, I think it's bad.
okay. Jacob, Paulo,
For society, it's bad. A competitive market, it's better.
okay. Dijodi,
Yeah, it's better because of they can raise the price what they want.
Marilyn, Miria, Marilyn, Miria.
I don't really know. I think it's bad, but well,
We'll talk about the details over there. Just answer me. Good. You said also bad. Miria, Nam,
I think bad.
okay. Osama,